welcome to my channel. So what I have going on, I'm gonna make a nice little dinner for my wife before she get home from work. You know what I mean? So I want this to be nice and right. Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. All that good stuff, you hear? So what I have a beef loin, New York steak with the bone in. So that's what we got going on. And I also have my my raw shrimp right here. She loves shrimp, so I'm just to hit her with you know what I mean, I'm just to fill her a nice plate up with some shrimp. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna saute the shrimp with some vegetables. You know what I mean? My bell peppers and stuff like that there. So what I'm gonna do now is make my my little sauce for my steak to marinate in for about 35 minutes. So cause what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse the steak real good, put it in the bag, beat it up for about 3 minutes each side. And once I beat it up, I'm gonna put it in the bag, throw my marinade sauce in there, and just let it marinate for like 35-40 minutes. So what I'm using is A1 sauce, boom. So everything going in here. Boom. And then once I'm satisfied with the little set with the sauce, the marinade, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven on 350. So I'm gonna do an oven thing. I ain't gonna, you know what I mean, throw it on the fryer and then throw it in the oven. It's gonna go straight to the oven. You know what I mean? And I got me some Worcestershire sauce right here. My WS Worcestershire sauce. Boom. So about that much right there. Boom. And then I also have me some good sriracha sauce. Hold on. Boom. Yep. Some good sriracha sauce. See, all that's gonna come together like cheddar. You hear me? So that's that right there. And I also have me some apple cider vinegar, boom, in a cup. So about that much vinegar right there. All right. So we're gonna use some parsley. Yeah, about that much right there. Some good parsley. We also gonna use some garlic powder. Yeah, I'm doing this by myself, you know what I mean? You know, you gotta keep the wife nice and right, keep her smiling, you hear me? She come in the house, ooh, what's that smell right there? You know what I mean? So this is my garlic powder right here. That good garlic powder. Boom. Boom. Got that out the way. And let me see. I guess I'll use some extra virgin olive oil. You know, some extra virgin olive oil. Boom. Just like that there. Boom. Okay, so that's what I have right now. What season? I'm gonna use some of this brown sugar rub. Boom. You know what I mean? Give it a nice little taste. That good brown sugar rub. Boom. That's gonna be fire, watch. That's gonna be fire and desire. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let me see where my rosemary at. My good rosemary. Alright, here go my rosemary right here. Oh, got that good rosemary. You know what I mean? Oh, that was a little too much. But I'll make it happen. So that's it for right now. You know what I mean? I want to put a little heat to it. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of chili powder. And man, I say about that much right there, a little chili powder. Okay, so grab me a spoon, mix this bad way up. Okay, so that's what's gonna go on the steak after I rinse it. You know what I mean? Rinse it off real good. Once I rinse it real good, you know what I mean, let it sit in a little bit of vinegar for about 5 minutes in some water. Then rinse it. And once I do that, I'm gonna dry it off. And then we go pour all this in there inside a bag. After I beat it, then we gonna pour this inside a different bag, because once I beat it, it's gonna have a hole in the bag. You know what I mean? So we're gonna pour all that in a different bag, and you know what I mean? We'll go just let this sit for like 35 to 40 minutes. Then it's gonna go in the oven. And that's when I'm gonna get rid of the rest of the little parts for the dinner. You hear me? So that's what I'm making right there. You know what I mean? Some cool little marinade sauce. And also it's gonna make your meat tender. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and get this right, and we'll take it from there. So here we go right here. Everything beat up. You know what I mean? Let it marinate in some apple cider vinegar and water. Rinsed it real good. All that good stuff. You know what I mean? Make sure I got all that. What was on it that don't supposed to be on there, what you don't want to eat. Got it off. So now I beat it up. I dried it, beat it up real good. And here go the sauce right here. See, this is what I be telling y'all. Y'all got y'all good dudes out there that have a wife, woman, girlfriend, whatever you call her. You know what I mean? They love to come home to some good dinner. You hear? They love it. So this is something I'm doing for my wife. You know what I mean? We're going to have a nice dinner together. And this is what I'm cooking for. So when she walked through that door, man, hit dice. You know what I'm talking about? For real, for real. You know what I mean? The smallest things count, pimps. So all y'all good dudes that's watching my videos, man, make it happen. It don't hurt to keep a good smile on your wife, lady, girlfriend, boo thing, whatever you call her, friend, lady friend, face. It don't hurt at all, man. Give her something to brag about. You know what I mean? Dream about. All the good stuff, something to talk about. You hear me? So that's what I'm doing. So now what I'm finna do now is go ahead and clean these shrimps. And then we'll get back to the steak. We'll make it happen. Alright. The shrimp is nice. I pulled everything out, so it's nice and clean. So what I want to do, I'm going to make jerk shrimp. So that's what I'm going to make, jerk shrimp. So what I have right here, some black pepper. So I'm going to hit with some black pepper. Boom. Black pepper right there. Got some Old Bay seasoning. Yes, man. Some nutmeg seasoning. Just a little bit of that. Boom. And some all seasoning, Jamaican seasoning. Boom. That's that right there. Some parsley. Some bay leaves. Oh, my bad. Well, so there we go right there. That's all my spices. what I'm gonna use for my jerk shrimp. So, like I say, my steak's still marinating. So I'm about to turn my oven on, and once it start beeping, then we'll get to everything, you know what I mean? So this is what we have going on. Your boy fits to get it right in this kitchen, you hear? So we're having jerk shrimp. Okay, so now I just sliced up some bacon. I'm gonna put this bacon in here. You want to saute these bacon real good, you know what I mean? Oh, alright. And here go my vegetables right here that I done cut up. Got my mushrooms, bell peppers, all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about? Got me some fresh ginger right here. Oh, nice fresh ginger. You know. So I'm just to go ahead and saute this bacon, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so I have my vegetables now. Let them do their thing on this good stove. So I use the grease from the bacon. There go the bacon right there. So I use the grease from the bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this go ahead and cook down some to my satisfaction. And then we'll put that jerk shrimp in there. You know what I'm talking about? So that's how I'm doing it right here. Get my vegetables right. Then we'll do that jerk shrimp. And we'll take it from there. Okay, so here we go right here. Just the way I want it. So now what I'm gonna do, put this to the side. Boom, there go that steak right there also. An hour and 30 minutes in the oven, excuse me, hour and 30 minutes in the oven with aluminum foil on. Last 20 minutes, aluminum foil off. And that's how we looking right there. That steak is nice and tender. So what I have now is my garlic. I mean garlic. That good garlic right there. Now it's time for my my jerk shrimp. Let me wash my hands real quick. So we got that right there. Alright. So that's that good jerk shrimp right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it sit right here, do its thing. I'm gonna get these bad boys on the plate. I'm gonna let them do their thing right here. And this. And then next time you see it, it's gonna be on a nice plate. And we'll take it from there. So here we go right here. Got that New York steak with the bone in it. Got my mushrooms, bell peppers, scallops. Cheesy scallops anyway, you know what I mean? And there go that jerk shrimp. It's that good jerk shrimp right there. You know what I mean? Did it with that good bacon on top. Made it happen, for real. You know what I mean? Your boy be doing his thizzle right here in my kitchen. You know what I mean? Right here in my kitchen. So family and friends, when you watch this video, hit that like button and share. And I'm still trying to hit my watch time. So, you know what I mean? If y'all can, go to my playlist and just let the videos play. If y'all not busy, you know. And I appreciate it. For real. So this is what I'm doing right here in my kitchen. Making it happen. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.